In this video, we will explain how the Odoo DocuSign Connector works. First, we will create an app on the DocuSign page, move towards apps and keys, and add an app. You can give any name, demo for Odoo 16. Create app. This is the integration key that we need to use while authenticating. So we will just add it here. I already have the authentication, so I don't need to. And we also require a secret key to place it here and add a redirect URI. Next I will click save and the application has been created. I do not need to add it here, but let me authenticate it. Now just one last thing for authentication. I have to get the access token. Successfully generated access token. Now I will, for example, create a contact with the demo name, for example, Andrew, and just set an email that you have access to because the document will be sent to you through your email. Next, click on Get Signature. Here you can upload any document that you want signed. For example, I can choose this and Responsible Academy Administrator. Here I will add the contact that I created and click Send Document for Signatures. The document has been sent successfully. Okay, so we can view this on our email. Here I will review the document, sign it, and finalize it. The document has been signed. I will update the document status here, completed, and the state of the document has been changed from open to sent. Now I want to download the signed documents. By clicking here, I can access the signed document. This is the document that I signed. Similarly, another use case of this is through quotation and sale orders. So I will create a demo sale order. View expiry order. New product. Now click on Get Signature here. The same set of steps, just in sale order quotation, you don't have to upload a document. The document is already uploaded, that is of quotation. So just add a recipient and send document. You can also change the name here, for example, Mark. So I can choose Mark and finish it. Now I will update the document status and click on download the signed documents. This is how you can get the signed document. The same set of operations will be applied when we will use, for example, invoicing or purchase orders.